Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to discuss about the one of the most important thing, that is the summary of CFA Level 1. Well, in this channel you will get to know that I am trying to help you out. Everything is free and I am trying to help you out with some of the topics. By the way, my name is CFA Murarka and I am a person who is working in the corporate world since last 3-4 years, and I am right now working in oil and gas industry at the head office in India. So yes, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about the summary of the topics covered in the CFA Level 1. So we have 10 topics in the CFA Level 1. Each topic is called a study session, and under that study session we have 60 readings which we have to cover before giving the exam. So here it is from the CFA website directly. We have 10 topics in total and the weightage of each topic in the level 1 is given over here. So basically these 10 topics are called 10 study sessions. So these study sessions are covered in my summary sheet to give you a detailed outlook that how these topics are covered. Now in the summary which I have created in the Excel sheet, which you can see right now over here you will see that each topic is called a study session, and under study session there are readings. So in total there are 60 readings to be covered under CFA Level 1, right? These 60 readings are covered under 6 books, right? Each book is called Volume 1, Volume 2, Volume 3, Volume 4, Volume 5, Volume 6, which in total comes to like 3,433 pages, more or less around 3,500 pages, which you have to cover to clear the CFA Level 1. To help you out, I have created this summary and topic wise, that is each study session wise. I have their readings under that study session with the page number, start page and the end page given over there, so that you can know that each reading how many pages are there and you can plan your study like that. There are multiple help also available on the CFA site if you'll go through, which is cfainstitute.org. Here it is for your help. This site, there are also the multiple help is given over there, but this summary is for you all to understand the curriculum of CFA Level 1 and then to make a plan accordingly. Well, with me, this is CFA Murarka. I am going to help you with first the financial reporting reading. Here it is for your help. So I am going to start first with the financial statement analysis. Here you can see in the financial statement analysis, basically we have this one topic which is covered under 1, 2, 3 and 4 sessions, study session, and each study session covers the reading. First study session covers 2 reading, then the second study session covers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reading, 4 reading, sorry, and then we have third study session which covers 3 reading, and the fourth study session which covers 2 reading. So I'm going to start with this, and reading by reading I'm going to help you. In fact, I'm also going to help you the subtopics inside a reading. If I find something which is useful to share with you all on this channel, I'm going to help you with that topic under that reading, right? So this is for today. I hope it will help you, and in any case, any query, please let me know through comments. Please subscribe and please share, and let's enjoy this journey together. I'm back and let's be back with more strength. By the way, I have just taken this MacBook Pro M3 Pro laptop. If you really want to see the unboxing, you can go on this video and see it for yourself. Thank you. Bye bye. See ya.